You can build ArchiMate diagrams in Visual Paradigm Online OpenDocs, and the steps differ based on whether you need a reusable diagram or a one-page version. If you want a diagram that can be reused throughout your workspace, start by clicking the plus icon beside a node and choose New Component Page. This creates a standalone diagram item under that node. When the system asks for the diagram type, select ArchiMate. The editor will open with an empty canvas, ready for you to map out your enterprise architecture. You can construct the diagram manually by adding the appropriate layers, elements, and relationships that represent your business, application, and technology structures. If you prefer a quick starting point, you can use Create with AI to generate an initial layout. Just remember that using AI will replace anything currently on the canvas. After the draft is generated, you can reorganize the elements, refine the connections, and adjust the layout until it reflects the architecture you want. When everything looks right, click Save in the upper right corner, then use the back arrow button to return to your page. Your ArchiMate diagram is now stored as a reusable asset that you can insert wherever you need it. To place it on a page, open that page in Edit mode, choose Insert, select Diagram, and pick Import Existing. Choose your ArchiMate diagram, and it will be added immediately. If the diagram only needs to appear on one page, you can create it directly inside that page instead. While editing the page, click Insert, choose Diagrams, and select ArchiMate. The editor opens the same way, and you can either build the diagram manually or let AI generate a starting structure. You can always adjust the AI-generated diagram to match your architecture. Once you're done, save your work, close the editor, and the diagram will appear on the page.